Welcome to this video tutorial on how to import your products from integrations linked to your OnePatch account. First, click on the Products tab and select All Products. Once the page has loaded, click on the Import Inventory button at the top of the page. Next, select the integration you would like to import from. This will lead you to the Pre-Import page, where you should click OK on the pop-up. The import task is now in progress, as indicated by the spinning wheel. All products from the integrations will appear on this page. Once the import is complete, you can move the products to your inventory by clicking Move to Inventory or Move All to Inventory. And that's it. You've successfully imported your products from integrations linked to your OnePatch account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.